Hi, good day to all of you guys. So welcome to my channel, Lester T. If you're new to this channel, you can subscribe. Click the subscribe button and share also. And you can also hit the notification bell for you to be updated for some of the videos, some of the incoming videos that I will post in this channel. Okay. So for this day, okay, I want to have a talk, okay, with regards to the so-called the importance of basic. Okay, why is it the basic is important? Okay, and also we will give or I will differentiate the math in high school, the math in college, and the math in grade school. Okay, and what are the similarities? Okay, so so right now, okay, we will I will begin now about the uh, discussion about the importance of basic. So why is it important? Is it really about the basic? Is it really uh, this does this basic matter most? Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so why is it the basic is important? Okay, and pertaining to the basic math. Okay, why is it important? Okay, so when you are in grade school, most of the teachers, your mentor, okay, encourage you, okay, to focus on the so-called fundamentals or basic mathematics, fundamental counting, say for example, basic counting and basic math, basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, dividing or division, and a lot of things, getting the factor, the LCD, the LCM. So like that example. So most of the teacher, okay, even some of your mentors, okay, want you to study, okay, study about the so-called basic mathematics. They want you to more study more about the basic mathematics. Why? Because they know that when you go with the higher level, when you go with the high school level, and when you go to the tertiary level or college level, okay, that basic is the pillar or the foundation for you to solve some problems related to math. Okay? So say for example, when you are in grade school, you mastered how to multiply. You memorized that one. You are familiar with that one. Okay. If you know the basic of multiplying, okay, digit to one digit to two digits, one digit, three digits, two digits to three digits, okay, it will help you a lot when you go with the high school level. Okay. So what's the difference? What's the difference between the math in elementary or in grade school to the math in high school? Okay. Here's the difference. Okay. When you are in grade school, okay, your teacher inculcate or want to inculcate in your mind the basic mathematics. They want you to learn that basic mathematics because that's the foundation, because that's important. Okay, so that's the basic. Okay, you must know the counting principle. You must know the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and even division. But the difference, okay, when you are in high school, okay, the multiplication, say for example in high school, had this so-called additional related problems. And what is that additional related problems? Okay, that basic understanding, that basic concept that you learned when you were in grade school, they will add something, okay, to make that multiplication concept, okay, more innovative, okay, more higher, okay, for you to think more, for you to study more. Okay, what's about multiplication? What's about behind this multiplication? Is it merely about multiplying, or is it applicable in a day-to-day basis? Okay, so the mathematics in high school includes some mathematical problems, word problems, or um, by equation or by expression. Okay, but in totality, okay, it focus on. So for example, I'm in the field area, I'm focusing on the example of multiplication. So the multiplication when you're in high school or when you're in high school, yeah, uh, it's about multiplication itself. Okay, but uh, There's some additional, like the involvement of the variables, the involvement of exponent. Okay, so it becomes new. Okay, so just like that one. Then also the multiplication when you were in college. Okay, is different also. Okay, the multiplying concept is the same, but when you encounter the multiplication, okay, in college, most likely it focus on the application of mathematics. It focus on the application of multiplication, okay, in say for example job, in occupation, in your workplace, in the house, and even in your daily routine. Okay, because in college you are preparing, or you are preparing, okay, for the so-called job employment. Okay, you are being prepared for that. Okay, so most likely the mathematics that you will encounter about that. Okay, I will mention some. Okay, like the business math. Okay, like the so-called accounting. Yeah, so related to accounting, mathematics related to accounting. Okay, and many more. Okay, like computing the interest, the compound interest. Okay, so that's it. So mathematics, okay, in college most of the time is contained in the so-called or inside the so-called study, okay, with relation to occupation, with relation to business, okay, with relation to a day-to-day basis or daily routine, daily activities. All in all, the mathematics in college focus on the application of mathematics. So see the difference from the mathematics of the grade school, the mathematics of the high school, and the mathematics of the tertiary level. So when you're in elementary, okay, you are being told and even forced by your teacher to understand, to know, to learn about the basic knowledge of mathematics in grade school. Because when you master that one, say for example, you know, you learned, and even you understand the principle of mathematics or the mathematics in the grade school or the grade school level, when you go to high school, okay, uh, it is not difficult for you. Okay, so it will be easy for you because you know the basic, you know the fundamentals, you know the pillars, okay, of mathematics. That's in the study of the, or that's in the grade school. Okay, so the mathematics in the grade school, it will help you a lot when you go to the high school level. Okay, in the mathematics in the high school level, okay, um, specifically in the fourth year high school or third year high school, okay, or grade 8 and even grade 9, grade 10. Okay, most of the time, okay, this is the mathematics here focus on the where math is being applied. Okay, say for example the geometry. Okay, say for example the positioning, like the measures of position, measure of central tendency, like that one. So yeah, it will help you a lot. So in this area, in this level, like grade 8 and grade 9 or grade 10, okay, it gives an emphasis, okay, where math in that level is being applied. And when you go with the high school or when you go with the tertiary level, the mathematics and tertiary level focus on the mathematics in which applicable, okay, most of the time in your desired job, in the job, in a business, in offices, in bank, okay, in a day-to-day basis or daily activities, okay, in your workplace. So most of the time, the mathematics is the so-called the mathematics in the tertiary level. Okay, most of the time is the applied mathematics. Okay, so just focus on the application of mathematics in school, in banking, like that one, in paying most about the price, okay, about the interest, okay, about the investment. So a lot of things you will learn, okay, when you go with the no the math in college. Okay, so you will learn that one. So that's the difference. So what are the what is the similarity? Yeah, what is the similarity? Okay, the similarity. Okay, the similarity in that case. Okay, in the grade school math and in the high school math and even in the tertiary level math is the computation. Okay, in grade school there is or there are a lot of computations. More likely when you go with the high school level, a lot of computations as well. And when you go with the tertiary level or college level, more computations. Okay, but the important thing, okay, to learn math is that you have this focus. Okay, you have this focus. Okay, when you focus on studying math, okay, and you are prepared, you are ready, okay, and focus on studying math, okay, it is easy to you, okay, to adhere, to adapt, to comprehend something about math, okay, and do some math, yeah, do some math, change your mentality about math, that math is difficult, that math is hard, that math is an abuse to human, no. So take it as a challenge and solve that challenge. Okay, I know. Okay, at the end part, okay, this math will help you. Okay, uh, like thinking that math gives you a lot of solutions, okay, even for a certain problem. So that's the essence of math. It will give you a lot of solutions in a single problem. So that will happen if you do math and lastly you love math. Okay. Then yeah, change your mentality about math. Okay. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Yeah, this will help you a lot. Okay. So determining and even knowing the difference of the mathematics in high school, in grade school, and in college level. Thank you, guys.